Today we are going to be using Howard's Restor Refinish to get some of these blemishes out of this dresser. So as you can see, this dresser has lots of bumps, dents, dings, scratches in it all over the top, the corners, the fronts of the drawers, pretty much just really the entire surface of the dresser. So for today's project, we're going to be using some gloves, Howard's Restor Refinish, 4/0 steel wool, which is really fine, and then a microfiber towel to buff everything out. At the end, I'm also going to wait a couple of days. I'll show you how it holds up over time, and you can decide whether this is something that you would like to tackle on a project that you might have around the house. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to simply start right here on the steel wool, just getting the Restor Refinish onto my steel wool, and then in a circular pattern I'm just going to work it in to the wood. When you find a blemish, you might want to just spend a little time on it, making sure that the Restor Refinish gets into all the kind of different areas of that blemish, and just keep going. Now we're done with the Restor Refinish. With our microfiber, we're just going to wipe off any excess here. All right, now let's move to the front of the dresser. It's very easy to apply, so just take the Howard's Restor Refinish, put it right on the steel wool. I like to do the circular motion pattern. If you have a scar, a dent, a ding, a blemish that needs a little bit more, just go in different directions until you think you've got it filled in. Then go back over it with your microfiber towel, wipe it off, and that is it. So you can see it works really well. Some things to note, of course, it doesn't take out the dent, the ding, or the scratch, so you still see those. However, it's just not as obvious because it's not just an apparent different color. Now here you'll notice on the corner, I might go over that a little bit more, see if I can blend it a little bit better, but that's a pretty damaged piece of this dresser here, so that might be as good as it gets as far as that type of damage is concerned. However, it does work really well. It's really easy to apply, and it takes 20-30 minutes depending on the size of your project. It's not super hard or challenging. Do it in a well-ventilated area. There is an odor to it, so I wouldn't do it in the room that I was actually keeping the dresser in. I recommend taking it outside or in the garage, somewhere where you can ventilate and get some nice airflow so that you're not breathing in all the fumes that are with the Restor Refinish. But that's it. I will let this kind of set for 2-3 days. I'll come back and I'll show that clip at the end of this video. But as you can see, it worked really well, and very short amount of time, easy weekend project that anybody can tackle. If you like DIY around the house stuff, please feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.